Welcome to Vacuum Pump Repair USA. We are a subdivision of AVAC Industries, which was founded in 1969. We are conveniently located in the city of Anaheim next to the Angel Stadium. For over 50 years, Vacuum Pump Repair USA has developed the best in-class technical procedures backed with a 1-year warranty and fast, accurate estimates for your approval. We repair wet vacuum pumps, rotary piston vacuum pumps, scroll pumps, rotary vane pumps, dry diaphragm pumps, root boosters, blowers, as well as helium leak detectors. Our factory-trained technicians will repair your equipment to meet or exceed OEM specifications with the highest quality parts. Vacuum Pump Repair USA offers local pickup and delivery within Los Angeles, Orange, San Diego, Riverside, and San Bernardino counties. Our experts repair vacuum pumps and vacuum blowers from all over the USA. If you're not in our surrounding area, don't worry. You can ship it to us and we will evaluate it and contact you shortly with the repairs that are needed. We also offer an exchange service and loaner vacuum pumps while yours is being serviced. Some of the brands we repair include Alcatel, Pfeiffer, Edwards, Labeled, Welch, Becker, Bush, Varian, and many more. We provide extra mile service by going above and beyond to offer personalized customer support. If you need a repair or have any questions, please give us a call at 714-988-8162.